Today we are going to be planting some marigold seeds provided by Outside Pride Seed Company, and we're gonna get right into the planting process. So a marigold is a good annual flower. I hear that they you plant them around your garden and they will keep rabbits out of it. I don't know how for sure that is, but it's what I've always heard, and I've planted them because of that. It could be a myth, and it could be the truth. I don't know. But so what I'm starting to do is I'm just taking the end of this paintbrush, and I'm just opening up these little holes a little bit more. I'm gonna pop the seeds in. So the marigold seeds will end up looking like this. They say the germination period for these is 5 to 20 days on the pack of seeds that I bought from Outside Pride. They're yellow marigolds. And I got different results. I planted some, today is March 2nd, and I planted a whole tray of these February 27th. So it's literally been 3 days, and my entire tray of 72 is sprouted, and they are growing. And I'll show you those here in a minute. So yeah, once you get them all planted, you know they're all in there. They're good to go. Usually you'll take one of these little stakes, something like that, and I like to write the name of the flower on it, or the vegetable, or the herb. Marigold, yellow. I like to put the date. So today is March 2nd. I also like to put how many days it takes to germinate and how many days it takes to bloom. 50 to 90 days until you will have flowers on these. So from the seed that we just put in, 50 to 90 days from now, they will be full, big, huge flowers, big, huge plants. There'll be lots of flowers. You'll be able to put them around your garden, do whatever you want to do with them. Bada bing, bada boom. Marigold, yellow, provided by Outside Pride. It's a seed company. Bought them on Amazon. You can pick up one of these Jiffy greenhouse kits at your local store like Walmart, Meijer, Home Depot. I did find out though, I've been to all of them and they all have them, and the cheapest ones are from Home Depot. Or not Home Depot, Walmart. So there's a little tip if you want to save a couple dollars. So yeah, the marigolds ready to go. I'm gonna, me personally, I like setting in front of the window. I got a rack that I put over top of a heat vent. So, you know, it's March out, it's still pretty cold outside. So we still got the heat on. And I feel it being close on the bottom rack to that heat, it really heats it up in there and gets the germination process started good, and it's worked out great. Like I said, I had 3 days ago, I did this same exact thing. I did a full tray of marigold, yellow marigolds, and the germination process said 5 to 20 days, and I had them germinated and popped up with the plant in 3 days. So that was really cool, and I'm going to show you that here in a second. So yeah, we'll just take this guy, bing, bada boom. I'm gonna set it in front of the window. So here are the yellow marigolds 3 days from when I planted them. From a seed into these wonderful greenhouse by Jiffy. They definitely did the trick. Yesterday I had probably 30 of them popped up out of the 72, and today I probably got, I don't know, 65 out of the 72 that have popped up, and they got a living plant coming out of them. So yeah, these are definitely a perfect flower to grow for a beginner trying to grow some plants in their house, starting them indoors, getting them ready for the season to go outside. Like I said, it's March where I'm at here in Michigan, and you know, these guys are just doing great and dandy on the inside, and then, you know, in a month or two I'll be putting them outside, and I'll be keeping you up to date with up-to-date videos on how these have done. I'll probably do a video of them in about a week or two to show you the growth. So yeah, expect 50 to 90 days. These things will be huge, and they'll be full of flowers, and they'll be nice. And once again, thank you for watching. I like your blooms. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, have a good day.